I got it right. All right, back at Rome's, and we're going to be doing a ton of stuff on the car today. Well, this weekend, I should say. We're going to be starting the engine, which is wild. So, yeah, this beautiful motor built by Margaritas is going to start for the first time, and we're going to be able to hear the beautiful chop that it gives off, the rah, 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 rah. So that'll be great. Everything, as you guys can see, has been filled up in preparation for that. Rome constructed this beautiful mount system. Well, it's just a welded on tab that he made that he used to put on my fuel filler cap, or fuel filler neck for my fuel cell. That will work perfectly. And there's my radium coolant reservoir, so I can fill up my radiator, and it's obviously the reservoir. So radiator's all good. Obviously the fuel lines and everything are all good. And the interior has been finished up by Mr. Rome. It is absolutely beautiful. This paint did not turn out great on the dashboard because it is just spray paint. So you can still see all the imperfections in the fiberglass, so that's not great. So what I'm gonna be doing is just taking flock and putting flock over the top. So it's going to look all professional and all good. And obviously my beautiful NRG steering wheel, as my whole interior is. Big shout out to them once again. So yeah, we have all the dash set up, and then as you can see, we have my digital dash mounted here with a little shout out to Mr. Rome right there. That is his company. And he also set up my switch pros. So my link ECU is right there with all my wiring going through the firewall to the motor and everything back into the interior that needs to be. Basically, there is this power button right there. So I press that in, which turns on the Switch Pros, which is a California-based company. They make incredible products. I'm using their 8-button keypad for mine. It has they give you a whole sheet full of logos for whatever you want to use and whatever works kind of best in your brain. And whatever your brain will closely associate with any of the functions that you need to put on the pad. They have all the options that you could ever dream of. Makes everything super easy to understand and super easy to kind of organize together. So everything is good with that. And yeah, so basically we're gonna be switching this thing on today, and you guys will be able to hear the beautiful exhaust system that Rome constructed. So I haven't showed you guys this yet, but look at that. Oh, why? So I have my Sicky headers up front that go into this Y pipe. Yeah, it's the 2 headers to a Y pipe, and then straight back to a downturn back there, so you can see all the way there. And then in the very back is a downturn right at the differential. So yeah, this car is ready to go, ready to start. There's my O2 over there and another one up front. So we have everything ready to go on this car. So yeah, today we'll be starting the car, which is insane. So yeah, I probably won't be recording too much on the set, from getting everything set up. That's just filling fluids. We're going to be on the phone with my tuner for a long period of time, I'm certain, to get everything set for the car. Yeah, this is, it's pretty surreal. The car, my drift car, is starting for the first time. This is my machine, man. Holy. It really does not get any less surreal, every single time. It's just, I'm so grateful that I'm in the position I'm in, and obviously I've worked a long time to get here, but if you work at anything for long enough, consistently, and stay dedicated and stay committed to what you want, and always keep that in mind in all that you do towards it, you will get there eventually. I promise you. And it may take years, it may take a considerable amount of time, it may take a long time to get there, but I promise you, with commitment, dedication, and just determination and motivation, all the Asians towards the things you want in life and your goals. If you always keep that in mind, nothing can stop you. The only thing that can stop you from achieving what you want in life is yourself. And I'm telling you, you can do anything in this world. It's beautiful. And I believe in every single one of you. And I want you to all do the same. I want all of you guys to achieve your dreams too, because I think it's the way to be happy. So I believe in you guys. We are going to get the car started today and probably get some other stuff done. I got all the, well, less exciting stuff, but we are getting my front windshield put in soon. And I just went and got all the Lexan for the rear quarter windows on both sides and the windshield. So yeah, that'll be good. Getting all the glass on, and then we're going to be putting the wheels on. And we might even be dynoing the car this weekend. So yeah, you guys are gonna see that. Oh man, stuff is happening, guys, and it's pretty unreal. Oh man, so yeah, I'm very grateful for every single one of you. I said it a lot, but I will say it again. You guys are a big reason why all this stuff can happen. So I'm endlessly grateful to every single one of you. Your support means the world. Genuinely. It is. Thank you. I will keep you guys updated, and there's going to be a lot happening today, but we're going to get it done, and we're going to get everything going, and the car is going to come to shape. And yeah, we might be putting on the body kit and actually kind of starting to get the final form of the car going, so that's pretty wild. But stay tuned. I will see you guys soon, and it's going to be a pretty incredible weekend, so I'm excited. So at the gas station right now, just about to start up the car. We're getting fuel to start up the car for the first time. That's pretty wild. So it's a pretty incredible moment. So I don't know what to say, but yeah, very, very happy. So I cannot wait to see what this monster is going to sound like. Stay tuned.
No problem?
Yeah,
Looks really good.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
So we don't have a crank signal.
And we don't have oil pressure or sensor. Want me to crank it? See what it does? Yep, we got yes right away. Beautiful. Cameron crank. Alright, oil pressure. Ready? Yep, I saw oil pressure.
Yeah.
I also see some squirting into the head a little bit.
Do you?
Yeah, on the right side it was like
Hold on.
pulsating.
Yep, we're getting oil pressure. There we go. That hit like 16 psi.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
It's like almost
Alright. So, alright, let me know when are you ready, Jojo?
Okay. Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. Are you ready, Jojo?
Yeah.
Holy moly!
It kind of started.
Oh my god! This thing is gonna.
Alright, go for it again.
Yeah, we can go for it again. You want me to keep it a alive or no?
Yeah, keep it at about 1,000.
Okay, I can keep it alive.
Holy.
Go for it.
All right.
Oh, that was me. Go for it.
Holy. Jojo, you're the man, dude. Oh, it smells so good.
Okay. So, we got it running. It is quite loud though. And it's definitely burning our eyes being in here. Because we're inside a closed garage.
Yeah.
Holy.
She runs.
It sounds so
Okay, so we're alive. I mean, maybe tomorrow we can actually like, like start it up and figure out idle and all that. I probably need an hour of it, like time in the car just to nut and bolt check all the suspension components. But I mean, other than that, everything's paint marks, torqued, ready to go.
Dude, oh my god, it rides. So, we've made a lot of progress today. We've aligned the car, and so we've gotten everything ready for the dyno. Obviously, we started it yesterday, so that was an absolutely surreal moment. So, yeah, that was still kind of riding the kind of high off of that. But, yeah, so we aligned the car today. Front is good, rear is good. So, it's running kind of typical WiseFab alignment specs for an S14, and I can go more in depth with them when we're on the dyno, which might actually be happening tomorrow. So... that's going to be pretty unreal. Yeah, so we got the headlights on. These beautiful D-Max style headlights. Looks beautiful. We got a very big statement piece. So these are the Koenig Hypergrams in their beautiful gunmetal gray finish. And I have the honor of working with Koenig on this car. Conveniently, I share a last name with their company's namesake, so that's pretty cool. But I'm going to be working with them on this car. Have the best wheels on it, prettiest wheels in the game, and the best performing as well. Yeah, they are really a statement piece on the car. We have the same kind of 18x9.5 with a 35mm offset on the front and rear. We're running a squared setup, obviously, with 245 and 275 tires. So, yeah, these are absolutely beautiful wheels, and I am very stoked to be working with Koenig on this car. So, yeah, go check out Koenig Wheels USA if you're trying to pick some up of your own. These are fantastic wheels. They are super sturdy and incredibly balanced, and they will not do you wrong. Yeah, big shout out to Koenig. Looking forward to working with them on this car. I also, on another note, have these beautiful NRG lug nuts on the car that they were the only ones that we could properly fit because of my wheel hub being kind of weird. So yeah, but they kind of also pop with the beautiful gunmetal gray with the beautiful red. So they definitely, it's a fantastic combo. They look fantastic together. And we obviously have everything wired together in the engine, and we are about to put it through some heat cycles after I put on this big, beautiful Origin Lab hood that I just got fresh from Japan. So looks very, very smooth and clean. Some of the best fiberglass work I've seen. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to put it onto that big intake and then cut a big hole in the center of it. So that's not the best, but that's what has to happen. And I think it'll look cool with this big snorkel sticking out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, is cutting that. And as you can see, my dash is out, and Rome did a absolutely immaculate job on this wiring. It is so clean. Everything is tucked and tidy away. There's not a single kind of loose connector to say. Obviously, some of it's taken apart right now because we're doing some tuning stuff with my tuner. And yeah, so he did an absolutely incredible job with this car. I am stoked beyond any description. Like, it is just, this is unbelievable. So yeah, everything, pretty much the car is ready to go to dyno tomorrow. I just have to get on the hood so that we can make the front end, because we still have to make this this crash structure, which is just going to be some bars that come along here and then go straight up and down, so that we can put the hood pins and mount the headlights, which I have in the rear, which are actually, well, I'll show you. Those are my OEM original Zenki S14 headlights, so those are pretty cool. And obviously we're running them with these D-Max tails, and then we have up here these also D-Max style corner lights. So that's pretty sick. So it's going to be super, super clean, going to be a fantastic look on the car, and I cannot wait to see how it looks. And obviously those are the Origin Lab Racing Line side skirts with the Origin Lab Racing Line front bumper and rear bumper, and we have the Origin Lab roof wing right here. So we're going to be mounting that. It will sit pretty much like that. We're getting all that sorted, but getting closer and closer to having it on the dyno tomorrow. So very stoked, and I will keep you guys updated. Yeah, stay tuned. Dyno day. Let's go. So, we just got back from the dyno. That was insane. Like, I do not have words. The car, my dream, dude, like, the car I've been dreaming about for like a decade is real, bro. It drives. it makes crazy power. Like, oh my God, dude. It's like, it came out to 500 wheel, which is perfect for me getting used to the car. And that is the motor taking it very easily. So I'm just going to get used to this power. And then after I've gotten used to the car and the car is broken in because it's a brand new engine and everything, after everything in the car is broken in, we're going to up the power, get it to its limit, and then it's going to be screaming even more than it already is. But tomorrow is test day, which is unreal. I'm going to be driving my car. I'm going to be driving my car tomorrow, bro. Oh my God, it's unreal. But I am so grateful for this moment. It has been so much work getting here. And like, dude, it hasn't hit me. It absolutely has not hit me that I'm about to drive my car. Like, man, I am so incredibly grateful. And yeah, very, very, like, happy does not even cover it. Like, this is like, dude, I can't describe it accurately. So yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to see this car in action, and I cannot wait to drive it. And yeah, I don't have much to say. I'm just like lost for words. This is incredible. Like, I'm like, it hasn't hit me yet. It's unreal. So I will see you guys at the track tomorrow, and let's drive a drift car.